In order to save much space and facilitate transport, some will bale the PET bottle into bales. If need to wash or do other processing, need to use bale opener machine to separate it. Before bale opener machine can use forklift feeding platform. Here have a door convenient for worker. Cut off the steel on the bale and take away. Worker can using a forklift or crane the PET bottle bale to be processed onto the machine as feeding platform. Or can use steel chain conveyor to loading the bale PET bottle into bale opener. This steel chain conveyor can loading different size and weight of PET bottle bales. The conveyor belt speed adjusted by inverter, heavy duty and belt made by chain. The machine with high efficiency can handle large quantities of PET bales in a short time, significantly boosting PET bottle recycling efficiency. Versatility adapts to bales of different sizes and densities. This is the open PET bottle loading to next process. The bale opener machine with 4-roller cylinder to feeding the PET bottles equally. The rotor are with reasonable design. Machine chamber made by solid strong steel. Simple operation, strong stability. Environmental friendly projects with low noise, no vibration. Bale opener machine serves as a crucial link in the waste plastic recycling chain. The PET bottle under the influence of gravity fall into the bottom conveyor belt. It can work with the trommel machine for better effect.